Hello, my name is Naman Kaushik and today we are going to learn some of the basic functions of MS Word, which is on how to create a table. We will also learn about the different styles of tables, how to insert rows, delete rows, insert columns, delete columns. Before moving forward, let's talk about what tables basically are. Tables are there for the grouping of information. Using MS Word or Google document, we can create tables. It gives user the ability to group the information according to their needs. So let's jump right onto this. So to create the table, go to the option here saying insert, click on it, and you'll see an option of saying tables. Click on table. It will give you the option to select the number of rows, columns, whatever you want. For example, 4:2. 4 here are number of columns and 2 are number of rows. Let me just do 5:3. So you can see the table is created. This was one of the way of creating the table. Now I'm going to show you another way of creating the table. Firstly, let's delete this table. Again, go to insert, table, and instead of choosing from this option, you will see another option here saying insert table. Click on it, and it will give you the option to manually update the number of columns and rows. Say for example, in the above option you don't find the desired number of rows or columns, so you can simply write down as many rows, as many columns according to your need. In my case, I'll choose number of columns to be 5 and number of rows to be 4. Click on OK and your table is created. Now after the table is created, another dialog box will appear on your top of the screen. As you can see, table style options, table styles. So let's learn about table styles. You can simply choose any of them, make your table more appealing as per to your need. If you don't find anything which you like here, you can click on this small box here, which will give you more option in this scenario. There are so many different styles to choose and use in your table. So let's just choose this blue one. Now you can see this table looks different and looks pretty much neat as compared to the before one. What you can do now is go on the table style options. Now I am going to explain you what these options are. As you can see in this table, the top header row is highlighted. To unhighlight it, you can simply click on the tick bar option, uncheck it, and the table is not highlighted anymore. Same is what you can do with the column, last column. It all depends upon your choice. There's another option saying total row. In tables, most of the outcomes are generally calculated in the bottom. So what you can do is highlight the last row by clicking on this total row option, and it will highlight the last row. This was pretty much the simple design of table and how to create it. Let's delete this one because I don't want to use it. I'll do my rest of the work in the basic table. So let me choose 5:4. There's one more thing. This little block inside this table are called as cells. So you have pretty much filled up all the information. Now if you'll notice, you have ran out of rows. So what you can do is insert rows in between or at the end. Same you can do with the column. To do so, all you have to do is move your cursor towards this point and you'll see a plus icon. If you want to put an additional row in between, you can move it in between of these rows. See again this icon saying plus, click on it and another row has been created for you. So this was pretty much about on how to insert new rows in a table. So now to delete a row, all you have to do is go to a cell, whatever row you want to delete, go to the cell of that row, right click on it, and you'll see an option saying delete cells. Click on it. It will give you 4 options to choose. You can either shift cells left, shift cells up, delete entire row, delete entire column. So we can do is that delete entire row and it will delete the row. In this case, we don't want to remove that information, so we can simply say Ctrl Z and it brought back the row here. Same is what you can do with column. Here you see another option of plus, click on it. It will give you another column. To delete it, again delete columns, deleted it. So this was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.